What is up, guys? Dave and Billy Joe back again for another trucking vlog, and we are in North Carolina this morning, headed for a delivery in Garysburg. We're only about 5 miles away from this place. It's a big distribution center for Lowe's. Ooh, look at that nice view there. It's pretty up here. It's just now getting daylight, which is good. Y'all be able to see a little bit more. Our delivery was at 7:50 a.m. It's 6:50 a.m. now. So they're gonna be about an hour early. Drop and hook. So is our pickup. Because, you know, at CFI, all we do is drop and hook around here.
Look at all these construction codes.
Hopefully our exit's not blocked off.
NC 46 Gaston Road. Turn right at 0.2 miles.
Oh no, we're good. Look at how many cones they use.
That's a lot. That's over their budget.
It's a little excessive. Holy crap.
In 800 feet, turn right on NC 46.
Lowe's Boulevard.
I feel like this place is going to be huge.
In 900 feet, turn left on Lowe's Boulevard.
I'm gonna ask Biloxi to make me a Riding with Dave Boulevard.
Where would that be?
The whole beach road. All the way down the beach is Riding with Dave. They'd laugh in my face.
You can still ask.
Asking don't hurt, right?
Yeah. The sky's getting pink over there.
It is. Look at that, guys.
In a few minutes it's going to be real nice.
That's a nice turn cam selfie with that in the background. Look at this. That is beautiful. Smile. All right, guys, we're almost here. Are y'all excited? Billy Joe's excited.
I'm so excited. I hope there's a bathroom. That's what I'm excited for.
Yeah, I have to pee too, actually. Ooh, it looks like there's overnight parking over there. You see all those trucks?
Yeah.
Approaching destination in a half mile on the right side.
Oh, there's somebody walking.
It's on the right side, dear.
Oh, thanks. What would I do without you?
That's what I'm saying. What was he doing?
Looking sketchy.
This is a weird place to be walking down the road on.
With a whole face mask covering. Oh, I see a CFI trailer right there.
Sweet. I think that's the one that would pick it up as an empty.
We have shipping and receiving sign. We know. Oh, it's obviously straight ahead though. Yeah, that's an empty one. We got it right for us.
This setup reminds me of like a Winn-Dixie I picked up in Louisiana. It had a big lot right before a covered check-in. Almost looks exactly the same.
Oh, we gotta slide the tandems.
Yeah, that'll be fine. Alright, well, I guess we're gonna go ahead and check in with security, slide the tandems, and we'll be back in a minute. There is 1 million birds flying across the sky right now.
They're migrating. They're like flying in circles over there. There's still more coming.
This is insane. That's a lot of birds. That's called a flock, Billy Joe.
Yeah. Unless it's crows.
Then it's a murder.
Yeah.
What's a group of rabbits called?
Bunch of rabbits.
Yep. So security told us to go ahead and back up and come over here to the left lane. Not sure why this guy stopped here, but we can go ahead and go in after this bobtail moves. And then yeah, we should be good to go. All right, so we got checked in, and 1225 is where we have to drop this trailer. They tell you where the empties were?
Yep, they gave me a number, like 819 on the other side of the building.
Okay.
And then we come back out this way.
Perfect.
The door open for them to check in.
Easy enough?
Yeah, they gave me a map and everything.
Nice.
See if I can get lost.
1225. Let's see, what do these say? 1317, and they're going down.
Yep, so I'm gonna have to go and make a U-turn so I can stay inside it, but it'll be coming up fast. Speed limit's 10, so I'm gonna go 10.
Don't go 11.
I won't.
Called cops again.
1292. Okay. These trucks are all going slow. That ELD crawl.
Yep. We don't have time for all that.
That's what yard move is for. 1268. Looks like I'm gonna be right about where that truck is up there. Oh no, not that far. I would have to laugh if that's what happens. The only truck in the whole yard sitting there right in front of the one that I need to back into.
That's trucking. You know that's gonna be where it's at.
Yeah, I should have asked him what happens if there's a trailer in the spot, because you know that happens quite a bit.
Yeah, usually make sure you write down the spot that you put it in.
Right there, next to that Western Express.
1225, guys.
With
Easy
a
enough.
Yellow pole in the spot. Why would they do that? What's this yard dog doing? Oh, there's so much room.
There's plenty of room.
I wish there was going to be this much room in the next pickup.
Would be nice. Teamwork. Alright guys, so that is it for that drop there. Didn't have a whole lot of footage there, so I figured I'd add this little snippet in for an upcoming video. We are just south of the big ice storm that's going across the US right now. We're headed up to Pennsylvania, and I'll put a little image up on screen of the radar so you can see it and what we're about to be going into when we go to Pennsylvania. So there's probably some good video to come of us getting into the crap. Maybe we'll get lucky, but we don't think we are.
I think we're gonna drive right into some icy snow. So you better buckle up.
Well, I got her on. But alright guys, that is going to do it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. As always, there's a link down in the description. If you would like to join CFI, click it. It'll take you to the Riding with Dave link. It's on screen right here as well. And yeah, come get your trucking career started. Meet us at a terminal, and we will catch you guys on the next one. Peace.
Let's take a spin to a foreign place. These open highways are calling our name, and now it's time for us to escape. Escape to a world we don't know. Escape into the great unknown. Escape to a world we don't know. Escape into the great unknown.